Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Gamespot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamespot.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamespot website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the account icon at the top right corner. You will now end up within the sign up as well as login portal. In order to log into an existing account, you can use the right section and you can also use your Facebook, Twitter or Google account to sign in with a shortcut. Otherwise, just enter your username or email address within the username or email box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. After entering both of these, click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, you will be logged in to your existing Gamespot account right away. And now you will be able to use your Gamespot and access various different articles as well as blogs. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Gamespot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.